6 Amazing Health Benefits of Acai Berry. You may have eaten a lot of healthy berries, but this one known as acai berry is nutritious in its own way, and has numerous health benefits. It is even considered to be richer than strawberries and blueberries. Here are 6 amazing health benefits of acai berry. 1. Acai berry will boost up your brain. Acai berry has plant compounds that has anti-aging properties. It has been also found that the antioxidants of acai berry reduce the risk of oxidation and inflammation in your brain cells, which will boost up your brain. 2. Acai berry will help you to reduce weight. The pulp of acai berry is also used for the purpose of reducing weight. It has also been found that pain caused by hunger can be reduced by the fiber content of acai berries. 3. Acai berry will protect you from cancer. Cancer cells form and spread rapidly, but acai berry acts like a shield to prevent these cells from forming and spreading. According to a study of Texas, the cytotoxic and anti-inflammatory properties of acai berry can also prevent colon cancer. 4. Acai berry will make it easier for you to sleep. At times, it becomes difficult to sleep, but if you have acai berry in your house, you can simply sleep peacefully. In order to improve the quality of your sleep, take a 1/4 cup of acai berry juice and drink it before sleeping. You will be amazed with its results. 5. Acai berry will strengthen your hair. Acai berry is ideal for strengthening your hair. It is rich in nutrients such as omega-3, vitamin A, vitamin B, and other vitamin and minerals. It can also prevent hair fall. It also consists of zinc that is very essential for a healthy scalp. 6. Acai berry will lighten your scars. Now you don't have to worry if you got scars because acai berry can easily lighten them. Take some acai berries and crush them with ripe avocado. Now apply this mask on your face where the scars are, and leave the mask there for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now wash it off with water and your skin will be fresh, and you will be able to successfully lighten all your scars. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We upload a video every day.